In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a project in Planner 5D. First of all, open your project inside Planner 5D. One important thing to understand is that Planner 5D automatically saves your progress in the cloud as you work, so you don't need to manually save your project while editing. However, if you want to save your project as a file on your device or export it for use in other software, you can do that using the Share options. To begin, go to the top right corner of your screen where you will see the Share icon. From here, you have multiple choices depending on what you want to do. If you want a physical copy, you can use the Print option to print your floor plan directly. You can also share your project with others if needed. In addition to that, you will find export options such as exporting your project as a DWG file, which is compatible with software like AutoCAD, or exporting it as a DXF file, which is also supported by various design tools. To save your project on your device, simply choose the export format you prefer. After the process is complete, the file will usually be downloaded as a zip file in your system's Downloads folder. You can then extract and use this file in other software, share it with others, or store it for later use. This gives you flexibility beyond the automatic cloud saving feature, and this is how you can save a project in Planner 5D.